You teach us, Micho, how to be content with simple things. We bipeds make life far too complicated, and every unmet need is one more pain for the soul. Desire is the enemy of mankind. There is a mystery in history, a secret never found, yet loudly heard by any that will hark. For hurriedly, hell-bound, did man walk on past this one word that could have stilled all others, and remained enough to hold the world. For hurled was all into a vortex fraught, where naught was gained but heaviness. There where enough were small. Oh, joy too late beheld, I see a way to better be, if this be held by all the hold of being. For to be, 'tis best to rest, with blessedness beheld, and pass not to another. It is this, to tremble once, but once, for short is bliss. Is it not true, Michu? Human beings have never learnt what once was proclaimed most eloquently by Mick Jagger. He was unable to obtain total satisfaction. But we can, can't we? With simple joys. Enough. Teach us, Michu, how to live with simple joys. And not condemn ourselves to pain from unsatisfied desire.